today's topic is about the involvement of the IT in promoting the business and promoting the marketing services. In fact, one point the speaker has made is about innovation. We have to innovate. If there is no innovation, either innovate or perish. The organization collapses if you don't have innovation. That is the stress he has given it today, and also about the various aspects of promoting the business using the IT not only as a tool but as a guide, as a directive. And the IT has taken over the role as a directive in promoting business and marketing. About the Rotary Club is purely a service club. It does service not for the personal service of the members, but service to the humanity. The service is need based. Whatever the need is there in the community, there will be a survey of the need, and according to those needs, the Rotary Club will step in and do the service to the community. The service is done in various aspects: the vocational service, guidance to the youth; community service with providing shelters, as Dr. Manjula has already said; and also international service, helping people in other countries from this country so that the human understanding and goodwill will develop. There is also a service, club service, where each member is given a leadership role training. So the Rotarians will become ultimately the leaders in their own community, and the leadership training qualities will result. This is an excellent club and doing very well, and one of the wonderful organization. The first service club in the world is Rotary. It is there in all countries over the world, and the Rotary Fellowship is an important landmark and a guide, so that other service clubs have followed and imitated these clubs, and afterwards many service clubs have come. Thank you.